Well, hello guys. So today let's draw some pumpkins since it's Halloween and Thanksgiving's not far behind. Let's start with the one at the bottom. Let's just draw a heart shape with a round bottom there meeting at the top. And let's draw his eyes. So let's draw a circle there and another one right next to it, touching. And you can put these things anywhere you want, really. And let's put a stem on top. Let's see. And then let's draw a mouth. So let's just draw a nice big U shape. Put the cheek wrinkle there on either end. And draw his eyelid. Make him a little sleepy looking. And draw his eye right underneath. Leave a little bit of white paper showing there for the highlight. And let's just draw a couple eyebrows here. One on the left and one on the right, tapering off to the sides a bit. Alright, so let's draw another pumpkin beside him, maybe a little bit taller. So make this a little bit taller. Come back and he's going to hide behind that first pumpkin. And again, kind of a heart-shaped V there at the top. And a stem. And you can change the direction of the stem as well, the curve. Draw a couple eyes here. This time they're touching. And draw the eyelids again as before, and the inside of the eye. Again, leave a highlight to give more life to these eyes. Okay, and the mouth. From one side to the other, and a short line on either end. This one will have an open mouth, so let's just draw another one, draw another curved line underneath. And we'll give him some teeth. So let's see here, let's draw one tooth right there in the middle and then another one right next to it. And we'll go ahead and blacken the inside of his mouth using the Sharpie. Just like that. It's good to have a thick marker here just to save some time. Alright, and another pair of eyebrows, just like the first pumpkin. Alright, let's draw a third pumpkin that's to the right of the first pumpkin. This one will be a little bit wider, but bigger. Alright, this one, keeping the top curved, because you can't see the divot the way he's positioned. Alright, let's draw sad looking eyes. So there's his eyebrow and the other eyebrow, and we'll draw the eyes right underneath with a U shape, well actually more of like an incomplete oval, and have him looking to the right this time. Color that in, leaving the highlight. Okay, and let's just draw a curvy mouth, just wiggly, and we'll give him a couple teeth that are sticking out. One there and another one right there. Have his mouth open just a touch there by darkening that area. Alright, so now let's try drawing a fourth pumpkin right behind those other guys. So let's just draw a wide one this time. This one, let's try to make him mean. So draw his eyebrows furrowed in the middle. And this time we're going to taper it going towards the middle, so it's thicker on the sides, on the edges. Okay, let's draw his eyes underneath with wide U-shaped lines, and put his eyes inside, on the inside corners, again with the highlights. You can vary all of these pumpkins however way you want, because everybody's different. Let's draw a mouth in this guy. This time we'll have him with his mouth open. So just like that guy on the left, basically drawing a big boat. And we'll give him a full set of teeth. So let's draw another curved line from corner to corner. And maybe separate those teeth out with a couple lines. And maybe a hint of a couple teeth at the bottom. And then blacken the inside of the mouth. Just like that. Alright. Excuse me. Alright, let me straighten that out a bit. Let's give him a stem. Okay. I think there's room for one more pumpkin. Let's make him a tall one. So starting right here, let's go to the top and down. And give him a stem. And this guy will make him happy. Alright, so this time we'll see the tops of his cheeks, over which we'll have the eyes. So the opposite of that angry pumpkin below him. We'll have his eyebrows sticking outside of his head here. Draw in his pupils. Okay, let's just give him a big smile. Mouth is closed, just straight across, just a very shallow curve. Just like that. Alright. Let me straighten out this line here. That'll be kind of in shadow as well, so I can make that a little bit thicker. So let's just go ahead and do it for the others. Alright, so I'm going to have the light coming from the left. And that's why I've got the thicker lines on the right side of the pumpkins. And we'll draw a shadow line, some shadows as well, so it doesn't look like they're just floating in midair. So light coming from the left, so the shadows are gonna stretch out to the right, just like that. And now it doesn't look like they're floating. All right. So now what we'll do is we'll take our thin marker and draw the vertical lines. So here, let's draw a vertical straight line first, and then the other lines are gonna follow the shape of the pumpkin. So it's gonna stretch out to the left, curved, and the more lateral or to the side the line is, the more it's gonna follow the shape of the outside curve of their body or their head. Just like that. And let's do the same here. So his midline is going to be bent because he's kind of looking to the side, just slightly bent, versus this one is just straight because he's looking straight at you. This one's facing to the left. So another one goes all the way to the bottom, and then here starts to curve the other way, and one last one here. Okay, let's do this one. Again, his midline is going to curve to the right just because he's facing to the right. Okay. And then this one will curve a little bit to the left and then go to the right here. This one's going to curve quite a bit. because it's pretty far out there. And this one finally. Okay, this one's facing us more straight on, so this middle line is going to be straight. And then we got the curved lines. Alright, just continue on. And finally, the one at the top, again, his midline is going to be more or less straight because he's looking straight at us. And then draw the other lines. And that's pretty much it. You can, like I said, you can vary these pumpkins any way you want. Change the eyes, change the mouth, whether they're open or closed, whether or not they have teeth, what their expression's like, and just start stacking them up, one behind the other. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial. Have a great day.